Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a really random one today, but I'm going to be doing a Funko Pop unboxing. So I have one singular Funko Pop that I've had for a long time, and it's this gold Wonder Woman. And I really had no interest in Funko Pops. I had an interest in figurines, but not necessarily these kind. But I'm a girl who has to have one hyperfixation at a time, like go from one thing to the next thing to the next thing. And overnight, my brain decided Funko Pops was the new thing. So obviously, I've gone and spent a load of money on Funko Pops. So today I'm gonna unbox the new ones I got in today. I have some more arriving this evening as well. So along with a stand too, a little display stand. So I'll add that into the end of the video when those arrive. And so I can show you those as well, because those ones are really cool. But without further ado, let's just get unboxing, because I haven't even seen these yet. So I'm excited to see them for the first time as well. If you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this video with any of your Funko Pop loving friends and any of your pets as well. Follow me on all my socials, I'll put them on the screen and in the description as well. And I hope you enjoy!
Just wishing I see you, I don't even know how to be by myself, yeah. My stomach been twisting and turning, my thoughts running circles, you're bad for my health, yeah. I know this is bad for me, but I walk it happily. My friends to stay away, I didn't listen, I always lie, asking for help. I'm addicted to you. I get a buzz when I see you. Addicted to you. I get a buzz when I see you. Yeah, I feel a withdrawal deep in my system. I need a nicotine patch for a regress. I cold turkey got cut out the picture. That's a deli line, took your number trying to be next. Her last man dressed like a Gap mannequin. A packed son of a gun, I can't stand this shit, I can't stomach it. How you gon' go date banana Republicans? At least stay while I see it for the summer ends. Cause since you, I ain't learned how to love again. I built a habit of gravity sucks me in. I'm losing track on my path for the rush again. I catch breath, lost that losing oxygen. My little lust addiction was a comforting. That's when I went underground mixtape up to the big stage. You know me from X, but keep calling me nicknames. I'm addicted to you. I get a buzz when I see you. Addicted to you. I get a buzz when I see you. Johnny, your babe. Jody doing drugs every day. You're boosting my heart like a line coat. She boosting my heart rate, loving on my dope. Need a little baby, so I take another dose. Holding my shorty, so I wanna be a rose. Sitting for you, I can smell you when I'm on my clothes. When you all get awesome, Mr. Check you when you post. I get a buzz when I see you. I try to leave you on my. I get a buzz when I see you. Cause you do my city. I'm addicted to you. I get a buzz when I see you. Addicted to you. I get a buzz when I see you.
I know you're not supposed to get them out of the box, but I just enjoy them more, being able to look at them. So I've got them out of the box. And I feel like I'm gonna get villainized for that, but that's okay. Well, that's all these ones for now. Like I said, I have some more coming. I'll be back and I'll show you how I'm gonna display them. I've also got 2 more exciting ones coming. So I'll show you that when those arrive. Hello. I know it's only been a second for you, but it's been like 4 hours for me, and my stuff just arrived. I'm gonna open the Funko Pops up first, and then we can get them on display.
You're bad for my health, yeah. I know this is bad for me, but I walk it happily. My friends to stay away, I didn't listen, I always lie, asking for help. I'm addicted to you. I get a buzz when I see you. Addicted to you. I get a buzz when I see you. Yeah, I feel a withdrawal. withdrawal deep in my system. I need a nicotine patch for a regress. I cold turkey got cut out the picture. That's a deli line, took your number tryna be next. Her last man dressed like a Gap mannequin. A pack son of a gun, I can't stand this shit, I can't stomach it. How you gon' go date banana Republicans? You at least stay while I see it for the summer ends. Since you, I ain't learned how to love again. I built a habit of gravity sucks me in. I'm losing track of my path for the rush again. I catch breath, lost that losing oxygen. My little lust addiction was a comforting. That's when I went underground mixtape up to the big stage. She know me from X, but keep calling me nicknames.
So I have another one on the way, but it's not going to arrive until next week, so to show you when that comes. But I do have the stand that I bought to put it all on, so I'm going to get this open now and set it up, and then yeah, I just think it'll look cute.
Running circles, you're bad for my health, yeah. I know this is bad for me, but I walk it happily. My friends to stay away, I didn't listen, I was not asking for help. I feel a withdrawal deep in my system. I need a nicotine patch for a regress.
That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the beginning of my Funko Pop journey, because I'm very much at the beginning, so please don't hate me for my very small collection, but this is the beginning. I've got some more on the way, and I'm excited to just like find them out in the world and pick them up as I go along. So thank you for joining me on this. I didn't realize how all of these were going to take up the whole of this, which means I'm going to be needing more of those. But I think if you bought another one, I think you can make this taller and taller. Anyway, I'll link this in the description. I'll link the stand in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Yeah, I keep on just wishing I see you. I don't even know how to be by myself, yeah.